Want to open and close your garage from your phone, from anywhere in the world? The Chamberlain myQ Smart Garage control makes that possible, and setting it up takes under 15 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through every step. What's in the box, what you need to check first, and exactly how to get it connected and working. Before we start, let's go over what's in the box. You should have the Wi-Fi hub, that's the round white device, a door sensor, model myQ-G0402, a power adapter, a mounting plate with anchors and screws for the hub, separate screws for the door sensor, hook and loop adhesive strips for the sensor, and a warning placard to put near your wall button. For tools, you'll need a 5/32" drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, and a ladder depending on where you mount the hub. Before you touch anything, check these 3 things first. Skipping this step is the #1 reason myQ setups fail. Number 1, Wi-Fi. The myQ hub only works on a 2.4 GHz network, not 5 GHz. Number 2, compatibility. myQ works with most garage door openers made after 1993, including LiftMaster, Chamberlain, Craftsman, Genie, Rayner, Stanley, and Wayne Dalton. But here are the exceptions. It does not work with any Chamberlain or LiftMaster opener that has a yellow Learn button and was manufactured between 2010 and 2021. And it does not work with any linear brand opener at all. If you're not 100% sure, go to myq.com and use the free compatibility checker before buying. Link is in the description. Number 3, safety sensors. Your door must have the 2 small photoelectric sensors near the floor, one on each side. Both LEDs must be solid. myQ will not work without them. All 3 check out. Let's set it up. Alright, let's set it up. Step 1, download the free myQ app available on iPhone and Android. Create an account and log in. Then tap the plus button to add your smart garage control. Keep your phone close to the hub during this step because the app uses Bluetooth to find it automatically. The app will then guide you through pairing the door sensor. Here's what happens. Press the button on the hub for door 1. The amber LED will glow solid. Then press the small test button on the door sensor. The hub will flash and beep. That's your confirmation that pairing worked. Now mount the door sensor on the top panel of your garage door with the top marking facing up. Use the included adhesive strips or screws if you prefer a permanent mount. Test the battery every 6 months. Next, the app will walk you through pairing the hub to your garage door opener. Follow the in-app instructions. It handles the pairing process automatically. Now, let's talk about where to mount the hub. You have 3 options: the ceiling, a side wall, or the wall opposite the garage door. The hub must be at least 6 feet off the ground and away from large metal objects. Here's the critical rule. Never mount the hub inside a metal enclosure or touching metal. Metal blocks the Wi-Fi signal and will cause connection problems. If your garage door operator has a metal housing, mount the hub outside of it. Once you've chosen your location, use the mounting plate to mark your drill holes. Drill with the 5/32" bit, insert the drywall anchors, attach the plate with screws, then snap the hub onto the plate. Wrap any excess power cable around the bracket. Finally, attach the warning placard on the wall next to your door control. Now let's test it. Open the myQ app and tap open. Your garage door should move. Tap close. It should close. That's it. Setup is complete. Now let's look at what you can actually do with myQ. Remote control. Open, close, and check your garage door status from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Real-time alerts. Get a notification on your phone every time your door opens, closes, or is left open. Daily schedules. Set your door to automatically close at a specific time every day so you never leave it open overnight. Guest access. Share access with up to 3 people securely through the app. Amazon Key. If you're a Prime member, you can enable in-garage delivery so Amazon can place packages securely inside your garage. And voice control. myQ works with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. If something isn't working, here are the most common fixes. Hub won't connect to Wi-Fi. Confirm you are on 2.4 GHz, not 5 GHz. If the signal is weak, add a Wi-Fi extender halfway between your router and the garage. Hub shows offline in the app. Check it's plugged in and your router has internet. Tap the error in the app for guided instructions. Door sensor won't pair. Press the hub button first until you see the amber LED, then press the test button on the sensor. Hub flashing and beeping means success. Door won't close from the app. Check that nothing is blocking your safety sensor beam. Then open and close the door twice from your wall button. This syncs the hub to the opener's direction and resolves most close errors. And that's it. Your garage is now smart. You can open and close it from anywhere, get real-time alerts, and never wonder if you left it open again. If this saved you time, Give the video a thumbs up. It helps more people find it. Subscribe for weekly garage door and gate automation tutorials. And if you're not sure whether myQ is compatible with your specific opener, drop the model number in the comments and I'll help you figure it out.